now have no home, no debris, and we now have the excavators on site and they are clearing the ground and making ready to start digging the basement. We've had the surveyors here yesterday. They've dropped pins around the property to denote where the basement and the garage in the backyard are gonna go. So let's just have a look and see what we need to do to get ready to dig. What the team is doing today is installing what are called batter boards. And so what that will do is that'll help us to set string lines so that the excavation contractor knows where to dig their holes. So let's go have a look. So as we go through here, we can see that there's some very nice earth here. Like we like to see that. That is nice looking soils. What batter boards allow us to do is set up nails, which we can then attach string lines to, and that allows us to know where we're digging to. I mean, it's not rocket science, truthfully. So behind me, we have our trusted trade partner, Koba Excavating, on this project. They've done a ton of digs for us in the past. So right now, they're scraping all the organics off the property so that when we're ready to start constructing things and doing landscaping, we are starting from a clean slate. This all get bulked out. They'll set a parking pad for trucks in the future at the driveway there. And then over the course of the next 2 to 3 weeks, there'll be a lot of loads of soil leaving this site. And I would say even by when we record again in a week, there should be a decent sized hole in this yard. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hopefully you did. Have yourself a great day.